I just wanted to say that it seems that I think about you more on Wednesdays for some reason. And I'm trying to remember why it's the case. It might be because of the fact that I work double shifts this day, and you know, I have a lot of time to kind of think and process kind of my processing time for the weekend. I kind of just think about you know everything. I've had it really fascinating and that it comes up every Wednesday. So I just thought to kind of put that in there as well too. After kind of reviewing some of the journal entries that I've done lately. So I just wanted to put that in there as well. It's been every Wednesday for the past 2 or 3 weeks that I've been doing this now. It always seems to come up more so on Wednesdays.
Trying to figure out how that actually relates to different emotions and feelings that I've had, you know, these past like longer than 5 or 6 years, and wanting to not live without it encompass so much emotion, so much feeling, and how it can be used, you know, overwhelming sense of feeling and emotion towards something or someone, and very unsure about my feelings of love towards you, something a lot darker than love should be, and something a lot more resisting than love should be, because it doesn't seem very healthy to me. I keep doing this to myself.